Wait, how would you like to fast-track your success with affiliate marketing through this video upgrade? Thanks for your purchase of our affiliate marketing ebook. We are sure you're going to save time and put a ton of money in your pocket via affiliate marketing with this training. Although the ebook is easy to follow and incredibly in-depth, there's only so much you could get from reading. So to help you get results a lot faster, we prepared a special offer that's only available to existing customers. Many people learn faster by watching something done rather than reading about it. In fact, a majority of the population learns better and retains information much faster from a video than by reading the text version of something. Introducing the video upgrade to your affiliate marketing course. If you're looking for a simple, idiot-proof way to learn more about affiliate marketing and get quicker results, then this is for you. Just like in the ebook, you get great content and more. But this time, we've recorded everything in high-quality, over-the-shoulder videos to make getting started on your part even easier. Remember when I said that affiliate marketing is easy if you do things correctly, and that the details are where most people get stuck? These are the primary reasons why getting this video upgrade is a smart choice. You need to really understand and comprehend every single detail, and there's no better way of getting the information you need than with instructional videos. To make absolutely sure you don't miss any of the key, crucial, and important details, with this upgraded video course, you get information about how to quickly add subscribers from your target market within 90 days or less, the little-known trick to getting free converting traffic, how to use reviews to generate $100, $200, or more per day with just a few minutes of work, where to find the best solo ad vendors to help grow your list, proven strategies to increase the conversions of your affiliate offers, and more. Remember, missing just one step of proper affiliate marketing can result in money thrown down the drain, something you most certainly want to avoid. After all, you made the wise decision to invest in this affiliate marketing training because you want to make money, right? Okay, this sounds great. How much? Because of the video format of the training, it's like having an expert affiliate marketer sit down with you in your home or office and show you everything over the shoulder. Of course, you would pay hundreds or even thousands of dollars for that type of training, but not today. For a very limited time, you can access the video training for the low discounted price shown on this page. As usual, you're covered by our ironclad money-back guarantee. If you don't like what you see, simply contact us and we'll give you a refund. Like I've said, we've done our part. We've made this as affordable and as step-by-step as possible for you. Remember, you're getting secrets already proven to have made money for other affiliates. Now it's your turn. Click on the buy button on this page and start today.
In this video, I will share with you my secret affiliate, Cash Vault number 1. I want to show you how I select offers from my secret vault, which makes me money every time. First, if you don't have a high converting offer, you can never make money with affiliate offers. So let's get started and I'll show you how the selection process is done. First, type in www.warriorplus.com in your browser. It's a simple website. If you haven't created your free account yet, please do so because this is where we are going to do our business. Once you're already inside Warrior Plus, you have to click on the Marketplace button. This is where you can see the offers which are launched on a daily basis. Now over here, let's click on Top Sellers. This is the place where Warrior Plus publishes their top sellers and the product they are offering. You can see their top sellers daily, yesterday, last 7 days, and 30 days ago. So you are sure that all the offers here are the highest converting products inside Warrior Plus. These offers are loved by customers. They are very high demand, and that's why these offers are seen on the page. Which also means that we can be sure before sending any kind of traffic that these particular offers are going to convert for us. I'll show you an example by clicking on the number 1 product today. Let's take a look at the offer, how the sales page looks like, and all the information about the product you can find. At this point, your task is to do background check on which products you and your possible subscribers are most interested in. In the next video, I'll be showing you one more technique of selecting high converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And then I'll teach you a technique on how to get approved by the product creator as the affiliate in Warrior Plus. In the last video, I've shown you how to select high-converting offers inside Warrior Plus. In this video, we'll dig deeper into the process of selecting high-converting offers inside Warrior Plus. Plus, I want to show you a simple way of getting approved by a product vendor even if you're a complete newbie. This is because Product Creator have the ability to check an affiliate's credentials, and thus they might just rely on your new stats when deciding whether to allow you to promote for them or not. So I'm teaching you how to overcome these particular dilemmas in this video as well. First, let's go back to warriorplus.com. Click on Affiliates and then Offers on this page. On this page, you'll see the latest affiliate offers inside Warrior Plus. On the right side of the page, you can see the number of sales that I've gotten to the products I've promoted. On the other hand, these notification signs that you see are for new offers that just launched. When you visit the page, you can see all these different details like product vendor, launch date, sales conversion rate, etc. Now we have to look at two important things. Number one, take your cursor over here where you can see the red oval with dollar signs. These are the top 1% vendors. You can also see gold ovals with dollar signs. These are the top 5% vendors. This means these vendors are really making big sales and they should be on top of your list. Number two, check how many sales they've got. If they have 500 plus sales, it is converting very well. Then look at their conversion rate over here. Anything which is above 12% is considered very well. Even 10% is fair enough. So you have to choose offers which are converting above 10 to 12%. Next, check their visitor value, and it must be more than $1. So again, you have to look at these parameters. Number one, check the 1 to 5% vendors. Only promote these legit sellers who are promoting or launching good offers all the time. Then the sales should be at least 500 plus, and the conversion rate should be 12%. Let's say the sales are just a 50 plus or 100, but the conversion is 20%. Then that is still good. This just means that a new product which is just launched may be a few hours back. Anything above 12% conversion rate is good. The higher, the better. Another thing you should be checking is the visitor value, which should be $1 plus. You'll notice all the offers at the top of the list have fulfilled these criteria. So once you've checked the above, the next step is to click the Request button for these offers. Once you do that, it will take you to a particular page, and then you have to click on the Request Approval button. You can also click View Sales Page and have a look at their preview. If you are a complete newbie and don't have credentials, there's one thing you can do. Click the vendor's name and you can already see his profile. When you go to the bottom of the page, you can see Connected Accounts. Let's click on Facebook, and here is the complete ninja trick you can do as a newbie. When you are already on his Facebook account, message him saying that you're a new person in affiliate marketing, but you're building your list. You can also say, I have targeted traffic and aware of the importance of staying away from junk sources. So please allow me to promote your products. You can mention the name of your marketing mentor if it matters. Tell them you'll send them good traffic from the traffic sources which you can mention. You can also tell them you don't mind being set to delayed commission if you're okay with the terms. And if you want to go the extra mile, you could prepare your bonus page or review video in advance. This way you're not only reaching out to the vendor and building rapport, you're also showing you've done your homework. So most of the time they approve newbies like you. But if you don't do this and the vendor just sees your newbie account with 0 sales, they will not accept you 99% of the time. So follow these steps and you'll be able to select the highest converting offers inside Warrior Plus. And you'll also be able to get approved, ready to go and promote. In the next video, I'll show you another marketplace, aka Secret Affiliate Cash Vault number 2, where you can make money on a daily basis and how to select offers inside that marketplace.